Hi, this is Yogesh Agarwal and I'm recording this walkthrough only for WarriorPlus admin for the product approval. In this video, I'll be showing you the income proofs first, and then I'm gonna give you a complete walkthrough the entire process and flow of like when a user purchases this product, what they will get, how they will get, and how to use the product. So let's start. First, the income proof. So this is the link here. I have given you this link in the notes as well. I'll just copy it, paste it here. This is basically a recording of my WarriorPlus account. You can cross verify with the amount of sales as well. So this is my WarriorPlus dashboard. This is my current stats. So this is all about income proof. So once a user purchases the product, he will be getting this screen. This is our thank you page, and he will be emailed username and password as well. If he didn't got it, he can also retrieve those details here by entering his username and transaction ID. And this is the link to log in into the app. I'll just right click and open a new tab. So this is the email that he will be getting. You see important sign up information, AI SmartNews FE. So when you open this link, you will be like the customer will be getting his username and password as well as all the links here. Okay, so this is how he will get the credentials. Now let me give you a walkthrough on the app. So in this app, he will be getting like he will be able to create a completely new and self-updating news portal, and all he needs is just like 3 steps. I will show you exactly how that is done. So to create a news website, he needs to go to create news website, click on create new, enter the title. I'll just enter as Warrior Plus Test. I'll just copy paste the same in description. I'll select a theme here. Basically, he will get several options in the themes, which will be covered in our detailed training video. So if he wants to enable AI content, that is the contents of the news will be rewritten, he can click on this button and get it enabled. So I'll just click on continue. And in this step, he need to enter a subdomain name. I'll be entering WarriorPlus test. Here he can add a logo. So what I will do is I'll just add one logo here. And select color theme. I'll be selecting red color. And in the category he can select any like as many as he wants. Either he can select all or he can select a few. So for the demo, I'll be selecting 2 categories. And in the automation, basically when a lead comes into the system, this automation will be running. Automation is nothing but a sequence of swipes which goes at particular interval if the SMTP is given. So user can configure his automations here. Like for example, go to automation, click on create new. Here you need to give the name. I'll just put some name here, and here he can define the steps like when he wants and the time. So if it is immediately, then time is not required. I'll just click on save. Now you see a row is coming here, he need to click on design email. Here he need to give subject hi. So now this will run. So as soon as a user signs gets into this automation, this email will be going. He can configure as many emails as he wants, and he can select the days as well. Like right now I'm So right now this email will go immediately, this will go after 24 hours, this will go after 48 hours, and this will go after 5 days. So whatever email content he is setting, that will be going. We also provide done for you swipes to the customers as well. So that is all about the automation here. So if he wants, he can select the automation. If he doesn't want, he can skip it. The same goes for autoresponder. If he has integrated an autoresponder, he can select the autoresponder and select the list, and that's it. So once he does that, all the leads will automatically sync to his autoresponder as well. So now here, this is the affiliate link. Basically, after each and every news article, this link will be shown. So basically user will be entering a text here and linking it with an affiliate offer. So I'll be showing it. This is test varrier plus link. What I'll do is I'll just bold it. I will link it to HTTPS. So this link will be displayed after each and every article. Just click on continue. Now this is the place where user can configure admin's username and password. That means each and every news website will get its own admin panel, so it will be very easy to sell that news website. So here he can configure that. So once he does that, just click on submit. So let's just see if this has created. Okay, yeah, this website is created. Now you can see in just few seconds the entire website was created. The colors, the news, everything is loaded. You see the news is also here from the entertainment, like the last offers, first week. So you can see this is a pretty much nicely and well built website with all the bells and whistles. So if you click on a single news, here you can see the affiliate link here, and here user can also sell the ads, and user can also use AdSense or any advertising network script to run ads of this particular site. So this is all about news website creation. Now let me show you about this customization as well. So here when you click on details, it will give you an admin URL. Here you just need to copy and paste this data. So this is the admin panel of the news website. User can change any sort of details he wants of that news website. Like he can change copyright, add the links of social network, exit pop-up, and he can also change logo, sites, themes, and everything. So this is all about setting, and there are many settings for this website, like advertisement. Here he can select a file and that will be replaced throughout the website. So this is about the advertisement. In the SEO setting, he can optimize the title and description of the website, that is this particular website. And in the traffic analytics, he can see the traffic statistics of the website. Like right now I'm from India and this is my IP. You can see I have refreshed this twice, so the visitor count is 2 here. So this is all about traffic analytics and the leads. Basically, all the leads that opt-ins for this website will come here. And this is the affiliate link which I have explained you before. User can change it anytime he wants. And these are external scripts, like user can add his own Google Analytics or any other tracking system that he wants. Whatever script he puts in here will be in the news website's header and footer. And these are some other pages that can be configured, like terms and condition, privacy policy, and cookies policy. So guys, this is all about creation of news website, automation, and everything. This is the complete walkthrough of all the feature of this website that we are offering in the product and in the offer. Thank you so much. Bye bye.